Hello guys, for today's video, I will make an animated hamburger menu. I must make a div tag with the menu and JS menu class, and 3 span tag which I will animate later. Next, I must create a CSS file, but don't forget to add link tag with its file location. Let us now proceed to the CSS code. First, I need to position the menu at the center of my sample emulator. To do that, I need to use position absolute and add 50% to the top and left property. To perfectly center it, I need to use transform with this negative 50% to its x and y axis. I will add cursor with pointer property to add a pointer icon when hovering the menu container. Next, let's add styles to each span of our menu. Adding display block will take all available space on each line. To make it visible on our screen, I will add width, height, and background with a black color. Adding a border radius just to add some corner styles on each sides. And we'll add a position absolute to properly position each span of the menu. And this is where I will add the transition so that I can animate the span. Right now, our span are stuck to each other. But first, by adding 1 inside the end child selector, I can target the first child. And now, let's add the top property for this element. I will apply the same thing but different end child value and top position for second and third element. I will target again the menu class, but this time with the isActive class. But make sure there's no spacing between those class, because later using JavaScript, I will toggle the isActive class on the menu container. With the help of transform property, I can rotate the element and I will also adjust its top position. I will do the same thing to the other elements, but take note on the second element, I'm adding opacity 0 because when the menu is active, we only need 2 elements. Next, I will add JavaScript file, but don't forget to add script tag with its file location inside the HTML file. Let's start creating our JavaScript code. First, I will declare menu variable, and with the use of query selector, I can target the JS menu class. I will attach the click event listener to the menu variable and apply anonymous function. Don't forget the e as argument because we need it later to target the element. And now, I will declare the target variable to holds the e.target value. With the use of that variable, I can now use the class list toggle function to toggle the isActive class. As you can see, by clicking the menu, it animates the menu into X pattern. And by clicking it again, it will revert back to its normal design. And that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe for more.